Hey everybody, Drew here with Epic Arms and Outdoors. Today we are going to be taking a look at another fairly new knife and knife company. This is the Red Shed Knives Finch. We're going to dive in here in just a second. So, basic specs here. We're looking at the Red Shed Knives model Finch. This is a 3-inch blade, 7-inch overall, and that's by my measurements on a ruler. As of now, Red Shed does not have a website up. They're strictly running off Instagram. So go give those guys a follow. I will put their link in the description box below. As far as the blade steel, we're looking at 80 CRV2. And got basically just a drop point blade there. And a huge finger choil here with micarta handles. And those are some beautiful micarta handle scales. You've got 2 pins here, a lanyard hole, no jimping up top, but it is full tank construction. And with my size large hands, I do get a full 4 fingers on there. You can really choke up there at the top, and it just feels amazing in the hand. So the knife does come with a Kydex sheath. I did a slight modification to it and put just a 1.5 inch holster clip actually on there. It came with a Kydex loop that matches the OD, or not OD, but FDE Kydex there, and it was basically just a belt loop. I found that it was a little large for most of the belts that I wear, and I like the clip easy on, easy off, and the holes matched up perfectly, so I just threw that clip on there. So that is a quick mod that I've done, but you could fit a tech lock or pull the dot loops or something like that if you wanted to do it that way. So we'll do just a quick paper cut test and cardboard test like I always do, and just general overall impression video, and then we'll actually get out, test the knife, and see what we think. All right, y'all, got my 2019 Cold Steel catalog that came at the very end of 2019, just so I'm saving that printer paper again. And we'll just do a quick paper cut test. I have used this a little bit already, I will admit. Was so excited, got my hands on it, but this 80 CRV2 is just wicked sharp. I'm talking wicked sharp. So as you can tell, no need to even strop this blade. Well, maybe after I cut up this whole entire sheet from this magazine, but yeah, so there's that. Obviously very freaking sharp. It does have it does taper, and I meant to show this earlier, but it does taper out, so very thick on the spine, and it does taper out, and it's got a nice little almost like a dagger point, but up here at the top, so swedge, whatever you want to call it. It is unsharpened and everything, but just a very nice overall look of the knife and everything, and I am just in love with this thing. So here's just a quick piece of cardboard right quick. See if we can get, there we go. Alrighty. So, I mean, we are talking razor sharp. I mean, no effort at all there on that cardboard. And these were some of my specs from the B&B knives, and actually this one before I cut it to shreds. So there's just general overall impressions. Great EDC blade. It is not too heavy. Actually, I did not weigh it. So let me pull my kitchen scale out, and we'll weigh this bad boy together. All right, so we're looking at ounces, 4.9 ounces without the sheath, and with it in the sheath, we are looking at 6.6 ounces. And again, that is with that wide belt clip, but just the knife itself, little under 5 ounces for just the knife, 4.9. So not bad weight wise either. Razor freaking sharp. The sheath has a little bit of rattle, but it's not going anywhere. You could heat that Kydex up a little bit and get that crimp down just a little bit if you wanted to. But good purchase. I mean, it's not going anywhere, but it comes out when you want it to come out and stays there, obviously, when you want it to stay in the sheath. So I will be doing some testing on this, as well as that turnback knife, company knife, as well as the B&B knife, and give you an update video on all 3 of those here pretty soon. Plan on going up to the mountains and doing some testing. And just as a teaser, we have this monster, another B&B knife. This is the Ultimate Kukri. So I'll be doing some testing on this as well. Video coming on this bad boy. It's the bigger brother to the Piranha, which I have already done a quick overview for. So a lot of testing to be done. I've just been super busy with the law enforcement gig and trying to put as much info out and post and whatnot on Instagram, and trying to get back into the YouTube thing. So I appreciate you guys that are watching and subscribing. Feel free to follow the Instagram down below in the comments. It is Instagram/Drew Denton. And you guys have a great day. Thanks.